What's up, Alphas? Today I am going to be rebooting one of my most popular videos that you may or may not have seen in prepping for Black Friday or Small Business Saturday or Cyber Monday over the last 2 years, because I actually created this video a long time ago. However, this time I've decided to add in a couple little extra facts, some little updates, and run you through as I set up my Black Friday sale this year. That way you can learn how over the last, I think, 5 years that I've been running these sales now, I have run crazy sales that have accumulated between $2,000 to $6,000 in a single day. So I'm sure that you're excited about this. If you've already seen this video, and you just need a refresher, right now is definitely the time to watch it, because we only have, 2 weeks until Black Friday? Absolutely crazy. So enjoy the video. Thank you guys so much for following us through this amazing holiday series that I've been putting together for you. If you've missed the other episodes of our holiday series, make sure that you watch the playlist linked down below so you can catch up and make sure that you have your Etsy shop ready for the biggest sale day of the year. So you're probably wondering, what the heck is a double dip sale, right? I mean, normally double dipping is pretty gross and definitely not something that would be acceptable at Thanksgiving dinner. But when it comes to hosting blowout sales, double dipping is one of the best ways to make a ton of sales for Black Friday, Small Business Saturday, or Cyber Monday, just depending on which sales event that you're choosing to host this year. So, what is it? Basically, a double dip sale refers to a stackable sale where you mark your entire shop or website down by a percentage off. Then you offer an exclusive coupon that can be stacked on top of this sale. That's where the double dip part comes in. And usually it's best to only offer the coupon to your VIPs, as in your email list subscribers, social media followers, and so on. Organic shoppers will benefit from the percent off sale, while your VIPs will receive a sale that's even better. And generally, this will lead them to buy a lot of items all at once, which is what we really want for Black Friday, right? So why is this strategy so effective? Well, there's actually 2 reasons. Reason number 1, your most loyal VIPs and customers will feel super special and spoiled, especially if you let them know in your marketing that this double dip coupon is exclusive, unadvertised, and it isn't being offered to everyone. Reason number 2, the act of typing in that coupon code is actually psychologically pleasing. What do I mean by this? Well, let me explain with a little study, okay? A grocery store hosted an experiment where they sold 6 packs of Greek yogurt for $4.29. They offered a coupon during the first week of the yogurt sales for 50 cents off of the purchasing price, making the cost of the yogurt $4.79. The next week, though, the grocery store offered the exact same yogurt for $3.99. And do you know which week the grocery store sold the most yogurt? Yeah, you guessed it. They sold more yogurt during week 1 when shoppers were able to use a coupon and visually see the impact that they personally made on the final price of their yogurt. It is the thrill of using that coupon that drove these hungry yogurt shoppers to pay more for their yogurt. Now, what this particular grocery store did was pretty shady, and I'm not asking you to jack up your prices in order to offer a one-day Black Friday sale. That's not going to win you any favors from your repeat buyers, right? But what I do encourage is that if you've priced high enough to offer a stackable sale, it could be the difference between night and day for your shop this holiday season. In fact, over the last few years, I've used the exact same style of sale in my own Etsy shop, and my customers even mark their calendars to ensure that they don't miss it. It's a tradition that many wait all year for, and they eagerly watch their inboxes on Thanksgiving night so that they can buy my key necklaces before they sell out. So, What differences have double dip sales made for my holiday sale seasons? The answer is a huge difference. In fact, over the last 5 years, my double dip sales range from anywhere between $3,000 in sales to $6,000 in sales, just depending on how much stock that I have available. And this year, we're actually hoping to break our record by making $7,000 in a single day. I'll let you know after the holidays if we meet this goal, so keep your fingers crossed for us. Now, you may be wondering if this is all just a fluke. Maybe it's just because I sell a particular type of product, or maybe I'm just lucky, right? Well, our many alphas who have been using the double dip strategy over the last few years would have to argue as well, because Handmade Alpha Academy students who tested this strategy last year were able to replicate my results in industries ranging from skincare, soap, jewelry, digital downloads, socks, nail polish, jewelry, and stationery. No, this isn't a fluke, nor is it industry specific. It's a proven science that can work for anyone when applied and marketed correctly. So now you're probably wondering why the heck you haven't been doing double dip sales sooner, right? Well, if you rush off to Etsy to set one up right now, you may unfortunately be met with a big dilemma. Etsy actually won't allow shoppers to stack coupons onto site-wide sales. Wah wah. I know, right? It kind of sucks. But that's okay, because as always, I have a secret strategy that will still allow you to host an amazing double dip sale using a third-party app. And if this is your first time ever using the app, you may even have $5 worth of free credits so that you can run the entire thing for free. And if you have used the app before, no worries, because it's only going to cost you a few dollars and you only need to pay for it for the time that you use it. I normally pay off the use of the app with just one sale from my shop, okay? So one key sold equals this entire app use. So what's the app? It's actually called Etsy on Sale, and you can find the link down below this video. Now, quick disclaimer though, I highly recommend setting up your sale on a desktop computer rather than a phone or a tablet, because I find that this app is much easier to navigate on a larger screen. So let's go ahead and dive into the app so I can show you exactly how I set up my own Black Friday double dips with Etsy on Sale. So once you're on Etsy on Sale, what you're gonna do is link your shop, and I promise it's completely safe. Now, one thing I will say is that you do need to have a Gmail account to use this particular app. If you don't already have a Gmail account, just set one up real quick. It's no biggie. And when you set up your account, you should start with 5 credits. Now, one thing I will say is that you can't just run and create a new Gmail account to get more credits. I tried it in previous years, and that doesn't work because it's based on the shop that you have linked to Etsy on Sale. So unfortunately, that won't work. However, I believe that you can use this get free credits thing and share and, recommend other users. So if you guys want to use the Facebook community to do that, I will turn my head the other way and you guys can just share away and get some free credits from each other, okay? So the first thing that you're gonna do is sync your shop once you join Etsy on Sale. Obviously, I only have one Etsy shop, which is Art by Starla. So I'm gonna go ahead and click that. From there, you're gonna see a couple different tools that I have never ever used. So you guys could totally use them to back up and restore photos and tag and auto renew, yada yada. I don't use any of these, and I believe Etsy has an auto renew, so we don't need any of this. All we need is Sales Event Manager, and I'm going to be setting up my Black Friday sale today. So this is where your sale dashboard is going to be. To start a new sale, you click this New Sales Event. If you've held sales in the past, you can go into your completed tab here. Go ahead and click that, and you can see all of the sales that I've held in the past with Etsy on Sale. Quite a few of them here. You can go back to active. There's a couple different ways that you can share your sale on Twitter or Facebook. Personally, I don't use these. I like to make my own sales promotional photos to post on social media. I just think that they look a lot better and you can brand them better. But if you just wanted to quickly share them, you do have that option. So next up, we want to click to create a new sales event. Go ahead and click that right there. All right, next. This is the name of your sales event, and this is for your own personal use, okay? So name of the sales event, we'll just say Black Friday, we'll do 2019. And then you can choose whether you want specific listings or your entire shop. For me, I'm going to choose entire shop right here. Now, one thing that I do want to point out is that you need to make sure that before your sale goes live on Black Friday, any edits or listings that you want to add to your shop, make sure that that's all done before this sale activates. Because if you don't do that, none of the changes that you make will save. So if you go in while your sale is live and make a change, then when the sale ends, it will all revert back. So I would make any edits that you need to make, right now. Get those done, okay? So I'm gonna offer my entire shop off, okay? Next, you choose your start date and end date. Now on Black Friday, people are going to be flooded with emails. They're going to get a million Black Friday emails starting from like midnight, okay? So Black Friday this year is on, let's see, I believe it is, we'll pop this open. Black Friday is on the 29th and Thanksgiving is on the 28th. So what I always do is I always start my sale on Thanksgiving night, the 28th, and I usually start it around 6 p.m. That way I can kind of beat out all of the other sales that are going to be bombarding everyone's inboxes, okay? Then I'm going to end my sale on that Saturday, the 30th at midnight, so it is just running for Friday. You can also choose your discount type. You can do a fixed amount. Personally, I like percentage. I think it looks a lot better, especially, when you have products of all different prices. And my sweet spot for my percent off is a 30% off discount with a 30% coupon to stack, which sounds like 60%, but it's not, because it's 30% off of the 30% sales price. And if you guys can't offer a sale that steep, you totally don't have to. That's just the sweet spot that I have priced my products to accommodate. So if you wanted to do like a 10% and a 10%, or a 20% discount with a 10% coupon, or a 15% and a 15%, you guys are more than welcome. Now, I did read a study somewhere, and don't quote me on this, but I did read a study somewhere that said that if a sale is under 10%, not a lot of shoppers are gonna pay attention to it. So I've always just kind of tried to keep my sales above 10%, but that's totally up to you, especially since you're doing a double dip and it will still be more than 10% in the long run, okay? So prefix placement. This is where the prefix of your sale is going to be located. You can choose in the title or the description. Now, a little preview of this from a listing that I did last year can be located here, where the actual title of the listing says Black Friday, and then the name of the listing is Sugar Skull Necklace. So it actually puts the Black Friday at the front of the listing title, which is pretty cool. However, it's going to take up some of your keyword space. That's not a biggie though. I want all of my listings to say Black Friday right at the front, so I always set my prefix in the title. And just like last year, we're gonna do Black Friday as the prefix, okay? Auto add new items. I always check this box. And show regular prices. Absolutely check this box. This is where the sweet spot is, guys, because what they're gonna see is the original price right here, and this is gonna be applied to all of your banners, and then when the sale ends, it'll go away. That's really cool. That's why this app is so useful. So it's gonna show the regular price at $17, and then they will still get the sale price. So super duper cool. They can see the old price, so they can kind of look at how much they're actually saving. And then when they stack the coupon on top of that, it's going to just make their entire day, okay? So here's a little preview of what it will look like. They kind of generate these previews, but this is from like the old Etsy, so it's probably not gonna look like this. Another thing that I wanted to add is your ad credits are up here, or your Etsy on sale credits, I guess I should say. You start with 5. The cost of running your first sale is only 4, so that's very beneficial. I actually had to purchase my credits last year because I use this every year, but it's totally affordable. I think it's only like a couple dollars, maybe like $11, $7, something like that. So we're gonna go ahead and schedule my sales event. Here is our event confirmation, Black Friday 2019, all listings from November 28th at 6 p.m. to November 30th at midnight. It will be 30% off. The prefix placement will be in my title. The sales prefix will be Black Friday. I will auto add new items and show regular prices. So yada, yada, yada. I understand. I do not edit my listings and so on and so forth. So be sure to read over this. Okay, I've read over it like a million times. So we're going to go ahead and check mark this and confirm your sales event has been scheduled. So guys, this is how you run a sale with Etsy on sale. I am down to 1 credit. So in 2020, I will be buying more credits because this is the only time that I use Etsy on sale. However, it is probably one of the most beneficial and profitable tools in the Handmade Alpha arsenal. So enjoy and run an awesome sale this holiday season. Oh man, Alphas, I hope that you enjoyed this little reboot. If you did, make sure that down below you click the little thumbs up icon as well as the subscribe button if you're new here. Now, one thing that I did want to quickly point out is that I will be taking new students, brand new students, in my own Handmade Alpha Academy starting from December 1st and ending on December 10th. This is the only time that I'm going to be opening HAA this season. It won't be opening again until the summer. So if you're not already on the waiting list, the link to that will be down below. And that link is going to ensure that you get a massive discount that is completely unadvertised and that I only offer to those who are in my special and close-knit Alpha community. So obviously that's something that you're going to want to sign up for. Joining the VIP waiting list is not going to obligate you to buy. However, what it is going to do is ensure that you know when it opens, ensure that you get your discount, and it's going to also ensure that you get all of the details about Handmade Alpha Academy as well as some bonuses that I'm going to be offering to those who enroll. Now, the last thing that I want to point out is we are right in the middle of Black Friday prep. So the Black Friday survival guide that's linked down below is, we're kind of right in the middle of the dates that are on that checklist. However, you can still grab it, you can still use it, and you can still start applying some of the sales and marketing photos that I have linked in that guide. One thing I do want to point out is that one of the dates of the guide was wrong. I believe that it is the day of Thanksgiving. I have marked as the wrong day. I think that it's one day off. I think I put that it's the 27th and it should be the 28th, or it's the 28th and it should be the 27th. I can't remember offhand, but one of those dates is off. So Thanksgiving, double check your checklist. Make sure that you take a pen and do what, remember when your teachers used to give you your homework and they'd say, oh, we made a typo, scribble this out. Do that. That way you don't accidentally goof up your sale because I oopsied. Whoopsie. It happens every once in a while. So I hope that you guys have an amazing Black Friday sales event. I expect you to let me know how your Black Friday sale goes. Do you like Etsy on sale? Are you using Etsy on sale this time? What type of discount are you offering for your sale and your coupon code? Leave all that down below. Make sure that you join the Handmade Alpha Facebook community, which is free, also linked down below. And let me know in the group the results of your sale. And you know what? If you guys want to share those little ad credits that you get for joining Etsy on sale by referring people, I'll let you guys do that in the group too. That way some of you can get some free ad credits for Etsy on sale if you do so choose. So guys, have an amazing week. I cannot wait to hear from you and hear how your sales goes. I'm so excited. I have keys all over the place. I'm ready to run my sale, and I hope that you guys have an equally amazing sales event like we expect to have this holiday season. We will see you next week with the very last video of our Black Friday series, and then after that, Handmade Alpha Academy will be in full swing, and you guys will have lots of opportunities to talk to students, see some testimonials, and ask me questions before you enroll. So have a great week, guys. See you next time.